Very good. So, did they sing the way you were expecting, the way you wanted?
Yeah.
Mostly, I think they did.
Yeah.
There was something surprised you along the way in there. How do we know that, guys? Did you see the eyebrow? It's kind of great. This going on. Oh, something happened in there. And so, in that sense, you revealed a little bit to us, but it's very, very clear, and it's working really well. The thing you're not doing yet is breathing. Okay, so give me the baton. I'm the beat pattern. You're the breath. I'm waiting for your breath. Okay, sing, guys. Okay. Okay, so that normally, if you were singing in chorus or anything, they would like, burn you for going and to sing. They would actually expect it something else. So imagine you're singing the part. Okay, so let's try that again. So it's that timing of the breath, which is really interesting. This is, I think, the way that you should be practicing this is singing it and imagining it with that breath break, phrase break in mind. So here we go. I'm going to capture your breath as it goes in and make sure it's a breath that leads me to sound. Good. Okay, so it's going to be on one. One more time. So here we go. And that makes the line feel different. When you attach your breath and your belief about what should happen next to that, it feels different. Okay. And that's what we're looking to have you do. That was good, Andrew. Uh-oh, we only have 21 minutes left. How many people still to go? Holy Toledo. Okay, let's go. Let's go like mad.
We have more than that. It's 9:10.
Oh, maybe I'm reading it wrong. No. We have 30 minutes of this left. No, I mean on the tape. I'm reading the counter. Okay, here we go.
I'm sorry.
I know.
I looked at Shauna and she was giggling and I lost it. Sorry.
And why was
It's
Shauna
not your
giggling?
fault. The bass.
Because the basses were like, whoa. That was awesome. Whoop.
That's what we have.
There we go. All right, one more time. And since I have you stopped, you ready to go? Ready? Look at her. She's like, no, just get ready to go. Don't worry about me. All right, I'm going to bug you now. Just that much. Just that much. It makes, when you watch this, it makes all the difference in the world. Okay, here we go. Making it up. That's where we should have wound up. That was very exciting. And by the way, it takes a village to raise a child. It takes a whole choir to change key. Okay. As we were going through that, I think everything is great. You were trying and struggling and succeeding for the most part in keeping stillness here and putting the energy out there. So it's a big improvement. You'll see that when you watch this. Thank you. clear. I'd like you to be a little more obvious about the breath for them, but very, very clear. We could tell, phrasing-wise, she was on the breath. She was listening to us and giving us information we needed. I could make that look radically better with two really fast things. Okay, ready? You ready to go?
Ready.
Okay. Not like that. Like that. When you watch this, I swear to God, you'll see something very, very different. Next thing, you've got a posture sort of slump, and you've got a knee thing every once in a while. Okay, so I want you to, in that Alexandrish way, anyone ever done that to you guys? You know, ask you to imagine being pulled as tall as you can. I just ruined your hair, sorry. And now, honestly, as best you can, just hold that in place and just start the beginning for us. Keep the baton tip lower than you want it to be. On the breath. Now that lean inward, that's just fine. Doesn't mean the same thing as this, which is you were actually releasing the knees just a little bit on some of the phrase points. And that's, again, a natural thing. But the lean in gives us this sense that you are trying to draw us in just that fraction. That's just fine. Okay, you'll see a difference.